Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieve this natural look. It's a hair clip using expression kinky hair. So stay tuned and I'll be showing you how I achieved it. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigailifeoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. So today's video I'll be showing you how to make your own clip-in extension. Yeah, I'll be using one pack of expression kinky hair. So watch and then enjoy. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your loved ones, and also drop a comment at the comment section. Let's talk to each other. Thank you guys for always tuning in to watch my video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. So please watch till the end and I hope you like the video. So what you'll be needing is your wool. Like you've seen, you're just going to round it around the chair. What I'm using is chair. So at this point I'm just going to take off the extension out of the pack and then I cut it into two. After cutting it into two, I'm just going to start crocheting it. If you know how to crochet your hair, you know how to tie the hair on the wool, that's the yarn. So right now, just see the way I'm doing it. I'm just going to put it around the wool and then tie it. That's just what I'm doing. But when you're tying the extension on the hair, you just want to make sure that one side is very longer than the other side. So that's just what you're going to do until you finish crocheting the hair on the thread or on the wool. So guys, if you want to try this method, you can use any kind of extension. Even you can use braided hair for it. You can use any kind of expression depending on what you have. So anyone that is close to you, you can use it. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to tie it like it's the normal way you crochet your hair. It's the same way. So that's just what I'm going to do until I finish, until I'm okay with the particular hair I want. So just remember, if you're sectioning the hair, if you're taking the section of hair, just remember it shouldn't be too much, that it shouldn't be too big, most especially when it's kinky hair. You know, kinky hair naturally it used to be full, so you just want to start with little portion of hair so it doesn't pack, and you don't pack all the whole kinky hair on one particular line. So that's just what I'm going to do. After doing it, I'll cut the yarn. I'm going to cut it. So after cutting the yarn from the chair, this is how it should be looking like. So this is how it should be looking like. What I'll be needing next is my hair straightener. So this hair straightener, I'm just gonna plug it for it to get hot, and then tie the tip of the extension so the hair does not come out from the yarn. So I'm just going to tie it to secure the mouth and then start arranging the hair one after the other. I'm just going to do it so the hair does not lap each other. I'm just going to do it, take my time to do it. So when I measure the size I want, like if I'm doing the first layers of my back, you know, it's going to be small. So I'm just going to start by sectioning the hair to measure it. So guys, if you want to try this, you can also measure it so you don't make mistake. So after that, you just want to use your hair straightener to start pressing the hair down where the yarn is. Guys, this hair straightener, it took me time for it to slick down the yarn, for it to become one. You understand? So the way it is, I just say let me try something else, and then I used iron. this pressing iron to do it, to make it easy. So but it didn't work out the way I wanted. The iron was too hot for it. So definitely the hair straightener was perfect for it because it was not too hot. You know, this kinky hair is strong, naturally is strong, but it's still rubber. So that's just what it is. That's how it's looking like, and it came out so neat and well. But because it took me time, like some minutes, I was like, this thing is taking too much time. So I had to try iron. But iron make it fast, but it didn't come out the way I wanted. So I had to stop it. So I'm going to show you the one I did with iron to see the difference. So right now, I'm just going to tie the yarn so the extension does not, to secure it, and then the extension does not come out from the yarn. So after securing it, I'll just section the hair, the particular size of hair I want to do. I'm gonna do it one after the other, and then make sure it's not too close and then too tight. I just want to make sure it's not too close to each other. After doing that, I'm just going to tie it, and then now I'm working on this section. That is my iron. I already plug it, and then I put it on the highest and on the highest level. Probably maybe if I had put it on the medium side, it shouldn't have come out like that, but I was just like, let me quickly achieve this thing and then leave on time. So that's just the problem. What you need is patience. But I ended up using the straightener because the straightener came out well. So if you don't have straightener at home, you can use iron. The iron, don't make it too hot, because this extension is synthetic hair, is rubber, so there's no way something that is hot touches rubber, there's no way it's not gonna melt. So that was how it's looking like. So I went back using the straightener. As you can see, I did my hand like this, that it's perfect for it. So even if it took me time to achieve it, I had the patience and I did it, and it came out so well. So that's it. What you need is patience in everything. So guys, after doing that, I'm just going to trim all the thread, all the yarn you're seeing. I'm just going to trim it out. I'm going to cut it off the hair and make it so it can look natural and neat. So right now, this is the hair. I'm just going to go ahead and put the clip in on the hair. So this clip, I ordered it online from Noon shopping online. I ordered it from Noon. What I'm using here is super glue. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the super glue on the hair and then press the clip down. I'm going to hold the clip on the hair for about 2 minutes or 1 minute so it can stick to the hair. So that's just it. The same thing happened to me when I was trying to press the hair with pressing iron and all that. I said this 1 minute and 2 minutes was taking too much time, so I took my hot glue gum to try it. I didn't put it here because the video was getting too long, so I just decided to cut it out. So I said I would say it on the voiceover. So this, I used hot glue, but it didn't stay. So even the super glue, if you are to try it, please use needle and thread. I think that's the best. Even the super glue, I'm very sure it's not going to last too long. So if you want to try it, just use thread and your needle and thread. So after using the super glue, this is how it's looking like. The front, this is how the back side is. So after using super glue, this is how it is. So that's just how what I used on this particular one is super glue. So this is how it's looking like. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you do, don't forget to like. If you haven't liked this video and if you haven't subscribed and you've watched up to this time, please support your girl by subscribing and drop a comment at the comment section. And please also give the video a big thumbs up. Yeah, so guys, I already sectioned my hair and this is how it's looking like. So right now I'm just going to take my aloe vera DIY oil I make. I'm just going to put it on my scalp and then use my hand to massage the hair just like that, the way you're seeing on the screen. So after doing that, I will take the clipping extension hair I made. So this is it. I'm just going to take the hair and then put it section by section on my hair. So as you can see, I'm trying to open the clip. So when I open the clip, I'm stretching it out. That doesn't really matter for now. I'm just going to put it on my hair. So you know, the clip is like comb. Once you open it, it has the mouth open. It's open. So you just put it on your hair and then close it. So this is how it's looking like. And then yeah, you're good to go, guys. This hair is so simple and easy. Anybody can do it. You can try it. When you do it, or if you're going to do it, just let me know at the comment section. Like I said, drop comments at the comment section. Let's talk to each other. I reply to every comment. So guys, like the video if you haven't, please subscribe if you haven't, share with your loved ones. So guys, one thing about this kinky hair, it looks so natural. Like if you're carrying natural hair and then you just make this kinky hair, nobody's going to know that. They must ask you, is this your hair? Because it looks natural. It looks like your natural hair. So, and it does not hold. You don't just use it once and throw it away. You can use it over and over again. In fact, the more you use it, the more it becomes so natural, because the coiling part will not be there. You understand? So that's just how it is. So kinky hair is very nice. And this clipping, it's so easy. You can take it out. You can install it anytime you want. It's just like your, how do they call it, like if you want to go somewhere and you're not carrying, you're not making your hair, and you really need something quick and easy, you can just put it on your hair. Yeah, it's so easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, then you can do it. So just try it out and let me know at the comment section. If you've done it before, let me know, and if you are yet to do it, also let me know. So guys, this is how it's looking like after clipping in the hair extension on my hair. As you can see, even my own natural hair wasn't showing. Kinky, this is just one pack of kinky. Kinky is like, it's naturally is full. It's full naturally. So that's why when you do this, you don't pack everything at once. You don't just put everything. You just take it section by section, because naturally the hair is full. So after clipping the hair on my hair, the extension on my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and then style it like so, like the way you're seeing. So after styling it, I'm gonna like you can see, I'm always using my aloe vera DIY. Guys, this aloe vera DIY is working on my hair. Like, it's working. You can't go and come back and still meet my hair the same way you left it. Like, if you have been watching my video from day one, you will understand and you will know that my hair is growing. Not just growing, it's healthy. Like, it has life. The hair has life. If take it or you leave it, the hair, as you are seeing it, it has life. So don't let me talk too much. So guys, so like I said, I'm just gonna style the hair the way I want, and then that's just how it is. I'm gonna comb it out. After combing it out, I'll use my better gel to style it.
Thank you for everything. Just wanna say thank you. Thank you for everything, Papa. You are the reason I'm singing, Papa. Oh. that away. I'll praise you, Lord, at all times. I'll constantly praise your name. You save me, Lord, from troubles. I'll constantly praise your name. I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Tataway. I'm just a little boy on the street, trying to make life reasonable. I cannot do it by myself. Without you, I'm nothing, Baba. What can I do without you, Baba? Oh, what can I do without you? Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you.
So guys, here is the final result, and this is how the hair is looking like. Oh, see the way she's beautiful. This hair is looking nice. So this is the end of the video, guys. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Umbong means please. So please give this video a big thumbs up, and also drop a comment at the comment section. Like the video, share it with your loved ones. Yeah, you can watch it as many times as you want. You can watch it as many times as you want. It doesn't cost anything. Yes, so please guys, so here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you all. Mwah.
Swiz Mosez.